We recently received a spotlight camera from Noorio, model B200, and yes, it's a lovely spherical camera. I think compared to other traditional security cameras, this spotlight camera still has a lot of highlights. The Noorio B200 comes in a small box, about the same size as an ordinary phone box. On the side are some of its selling points, which are quite a lot. We will introduce them later. Open the box, you can see the camera like an eyeball. It's quite heavy in hands. Put it aside first, there are 2 screw packs in the accessory box, 2 brackets. One is a mounting bracket fixed by thread, the other is a magnetic bracket for easy removal. A Type-C charging cable. Yes, the B200 uses a Type-C charging port. If you, like me, all the devices at home are Type-C port, you can feel how touched when I saw this charging port. Originally, there should be positioning sticker and quick start guide and so on in the box, probably because we received the engineering, but anyway, it doesn't affect our installation. If you go to Google Play Store and download Noorio app, it will teach you how to install and use B200 after you finish connecting. Like other security camera, if you use mounting bracket to fix, then you just need to use the screws to fix the bracket in the position you want. But if you use magnetic bracket, it will be more convenient. You can even not use screws as long as it can be held by a magnet, such as your home mailbox or door sign. If the door of your house is made of iron, it could be the best. Do not worry, it sucks very firmly and will not fall off easily. But why a security camera needs to be disassembled? First of all, to make it easy to remove it when you need to charge it. Secondly, it may be that today the camera is installed and tomorrow you may need to move. Thanks to its ability to link Wi-Fi without any hub, you can open hotspot with your phone and take B200 anywhere. Or maybe you don't mount it on the wall and put it on a flat surface, the bottom of B200 is also able to attach to bracket. The reasons why you should choose a Noorio B200 as your security camera are written on the side of the box. About the battery and waterproof part, 6 months of battery life for the security camera should be considered very long. Plus, it is also very easy to charge, so do not worry about its battery life. The IP66 waterproof rating is also sufficient to cope with rainy days as long as you do not soak it in water, so it will not be damaged by water ingrates. Then there is an image quality performance. The color night vision function is actually very simple. That is, the detection of moving objects will turn on the light function. Although the improvement for video recording is not obvious, but if someone tries to invade your home, the sudden light can still scare them away. Two-way audio simply means that you can speak with the person on the camera side in both directions. Camera comes with an 8GB local storage, allows you to store 60 days of video. You do not need to buy a micro SD card at your own expense. If you feel that 8GB storage is not enough, there's also a free month of cloud storage for you to try. Honestly, I really like Noorio's app because it's very simple. There are no unnecessary sections, like discussion sections or anything like that. Activity zones are in the camera setting and you can draw the area you want to identify. This feature is also commonly seen on most security cameras, so I will not get into too much detail. It also has a multi-frame composite HDR function. If you do not mind shorter battery life, I recommend you to turn it on, then the dynamic range of the picture will be much better. So right now, we all should have some ideas about this cute little eyeball camera. It not only has the features that traditional security cameras have, but also can do better in most cases. For example, it comes with an 8GB storage and a free month of cloud storage, or the very convenient magnetic bracket, which can be removed and charged at any time. Of course, there's also a more lovely appearance than other traditional security camera. If you move around a lot and need a security camera that is easy to remove, then consider this Noorio B200. I'm Will from Gizmochina. I'll see you next time.